right, and now we're going to show you where to find your resource library. This is another great place in your back office to be aware of. If you go to resource library, pretty much any documentation or any sort of PDF or any information you need from the company is in this back office. So under the resource library, you'll see a toolbox at the beginning of every month that's going to have anything that you need to know for that month. If there's frequently asked questions, if they've got a promotion, any different training and tools, things that you can share. So that's a really good resource to go to at the beginning of every month. Check out your toolbox there. But if you go down here, there are many different topics. Anything you need to know about the company is back here. So compliance training, resources for new market partners. If you're new, there's lots of documents there. Well, the way I use it a lot is if you come down here and you need to find ingredient sheets for your customers, here's a skincare training resource for you if you want to get more caught up on that. Here is the product information. So if you come in here, let's say that I have a client who's getting the Be Balanced moisturizer. I can actually send them a PDF of what it is, or for creating content, if I want to talk about these products, I need to know what I'm talking about. And in here, this makes it super easy for you guys. They have everything you need to know back here. So here's a little video on even how to use the product, and then here is a resource for you that explains what is in the product. So you can actually come here, download this, print it out, look when you're reading, when you're talking about your products online, you can explain exactly what's in it. You can explain what it does. You have all the information right here, how to use it. It gives you demonstration tips on what to do so you can help share this with other people. So literally everything you need is basically done for you, and you can find it back here in the Resource Center. So once you get settled, once you've launched, you don't need to go through this whole portal right now, but definitely know that this is here for you when you're ready to go explore more about the products and kind of see what we have back here as far as training for you.